Hi guys, so today we are making some Asian style dumplings and I am going to use sweet Italian sausage in mine. So that's what we're going to start with. Make sure to take that off. Then we are going to add in some onions, some green onions. Chop them kind of small. Then I am adding in some minced garlic. Lots of garlic for me. Then we're going to add in some oyster sauce. I'll put about 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to add in some ginger paste. Then I'm going to add in a little sesame oil. I'm adding a little bit of this one because I also have the sesame oil, that toasted sesame with the rice. So this is the rice vinegar. Just a little bit of that. Okay. Then we're going to add in some soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce. Usually add in some white pepper, but I have no more white pepper, so that's going to be it. And we're just going to mix this up. Give everything. Then we will prepare our dumplings. I just brought the round disc dumplings. And we're going to put the meat into each dumpling. Now I'm going to do it where I am going to put one on top of the other and close it up that way. So I'm going to do it that way. Okay. Then you're going to take your meat you prepared earlier and just put it in there like that. So I'm going to do mine like this and close off the ends. Wet my fork a little bit. Try to close them like this. Just go around. And it should look like that. Okay, guys, so then we're going to fold them one more time. And they're going to look like this. And we will, oops, they're going to look like this. And I will be back when I finish the rest of them. All right, guys, so they are done. And now they're done, and we are going to get them into a pan. So you're going to add a little oil and then some water and cover it, and they should be ready. You're going to cover. So I am flipping them halfway in between here. Make sure your heat is done. You want it to come out like that really brown out. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so while that's finishing, let's make our sauce. This was about a fourth cup of hot water, soy sauce, I'm gonna put some oyster sauce also in here, tablespoon and a half. Then we're gonna put some chili crisp into here. Garlic into there. And then some sugar. Then we're gonna add in some sugar. I'm not putting all of this sugar in here. Just enough. That was too much. Then we're just going to give this a whisk. Okay, they should be ready. Just gonna plate these so I can get the rest of these in here. Oh, it's amazing. Amazing. This is the second batch. Cover that back up and wait for the. Put some green onions in here also.